ईशा जी यहाँ पे
हाँ हाँ
विद्युत सर यहाँ पे अरे मैडम आपका हाथ आ रहा है या रोलिंग
दादा आप थोड़ा साइड में कर रहे हैं हाँ रोल ना
Very good to see you, Isha. Tell us, what are the 3 things you look into whenever you see something like that?
You know, it depends. First of all, I'm looking at high street. Sorry, camera, na? It depends if I'm looking at high street or a designer. FBB is a brand which is high street. So for me, high street always depends on, first of all, dependability, like how long the brand or how long the outfit or whatever I'm buying, does it last? Because it's denim, so I'll stick to denim. So first is longevity, which is dependability. Second, I think I really look at the money because it shouldn't, I mean, if I'm spending money on a high street brand a lot, I want the value, the worth back. And third of all, the fit, you know, like it fits like a glove. Like honestly, just you know, even on the stage I said it, for Indian women especially, it's really important that a denim fits us really well because, you know, we are all curvy and Indian women are famous for that. So I think that's why the association of FBB with Lycra really works, because it stretches and it fits and it hugs you really well.
Okay, your chemistry with you.
It's our, we've already done 2 films together. I love him. Like I've always said it, he's a good friend and we've had great connection. And yeah, I like to keep working with him again and again.
He managed to, you know, handle himself. He managed to, he flips and he managed to do it once again. How do you see this trait of? You know,
no, what Vidyut does, no one else can do. I mean, he's been doing it since he was a child. He's really strong. And I think, you know, I've seen him firsthand, like, aankhon se apna, my makeup artist is right here. Even she's seen, you know, like, Commando ke time pe him doing all his stunts on his own. There's no body double, there's no harness. So I don't think anyone can do what Vidyut does.
Okay, what happened on professional front?
I just finished Devil's Daughter, which is my international project, Iranian film. Now I'm starting and my next film in June, which is with Kumar Mangaji.
Okay, the last one. Have you seen the teaser or trailer or biopic of Sanju Baba?
I loved it. What Ranveer has done, it's amazing. He's acted so well. He's got the shoulder and he's got the eyes, he's got the hair, he's got everything. I think it's one of the most awaited films of this year.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
वेरी गुड टू सी यू भाई।
Tell us your experience.
अब हिंदी बोल रहा हूँ यार।
हाँ, हिंदी। अच्छा, आपकी कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा? और हमेशा रैप पे आयशा के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं आप। फिल्म में भी बहुत ज़्यादा।
Great experience, yeah. First things first, it was superb that FBB and Lycra have merged together. Like I was saying, that it's summertime and normally the denims make you feel very hot, but when they've merged with Lycra, it's a great thing. और हर तरह का आदमी पहन सकता है, चाहे वो अफोर्ड कर सकता है, हर चीज़ अफोर्डेबल है, so it's a great thing.
Okay, Vidyut, what are the 3 things you look into? You know, whenever you associate yourself with any brand, क्या चीज़ें जिनके आप बहुत ध्यान रखते हैं कि ये सब होना चाहिए, then I'll associate myself with the brand.
Yeah, normally the brands that have approached me till now are authentic, they're amazing brands, so they don't come to me when they are not good enough. So अभी तक जो भी मेरे पास आया, अभी तक मैंने जो भी किया है, वो normally सही लोग आते हैं. So I don't think too much because normally the right people come to me.
Okay, what happened on professional front? आप ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाऊँगा तो choices ही
नहीं, आप डिटेल में जाइए यार. मैं जंगली अभी भी ख़त्म की है, जो हम लोग दशहरा रिलीज़ कर रहे हैं. इस समय मैं महेश मांजरेकर की एक अनटाइटल्ड मूवी शूट कर रहा हूँ और उसके बाद कमांडो 3.
Okay, have you seen the teaser or the trailer of Sanjay Dutt biopic?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे? Do you think Ranveer justify the way he looked, the way he?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और जिसने इसमें काम किया, जिन्होंने डायरेक्ट किया, बहुत अच्छा काम किया.
Commando 3 कब तक विद्युत?
यार सो पहले मैं ये महेश मांजरेकर की फिल्म ख़त्म करूँगा और उसके बाद कमांडो 3 शुरू करेंगे और उसमें भी हमने वादा किया है कि FBB का लाइक्रा पहनेंगे यार.
Okay, thank you so much.
थैंक यू सर.